In this video, I'll show you how to remove the domain name from the backend slip template in Shopify. As you can see in this example, by default, the domain name is displayed in the footer section of the backend slip. So in order to remove it, we need to make modifications to the backend slip template. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account. Then the bottom left corner, click on settings. Then select shipping and delivery. Now scroll a bit down until you find the shipping documents section and then select backend slip template. Before making changes to the template, make sure to save the backup copy. For that, place the cursor in the code editor, then press Ctrl-A to highlight all the code, Ctrl-C for copy. Now paste the code in the plain text document on local computer. Now we are ready to make the changes. Place the cursor in the code editor, then press Ctrl-F, and then define field type shop.domain, then press enter. Look for this liquid variable shop.domain, as in my case it's located on line 198. Let's highlight it, then press delete, and also let's delete the line break tag just above. From now on, the backend slip will only show the store name, the store address, and the email. Once you made these changes, just click on save. Now let's go to orders. Let's try opening one of the existing orders. Let's open this one. Then select print backend slips. And as you can see right here, the domain name was successfully removed. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.